Hello everyone. Today we are making coconut prawn curry. This curry is absolutely delicious. It is tangy and it is as spicy as you can make it, and it is divine with some hot rice. So without further ado, let's get cooking. You'll need some mustard seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves, chopped onions, 2 green chilies slit, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes chopped, cleaned and deveined prawns, grated coconut, along with some curry leaves, chili powder, coriander powder, and some salt. So let's add some coconut oil to a pan, heat it up. Add some mustard seeds to the oil and let them splutter. To this we will add dried red chilies and curry leaves, followed by chopped onions, green chilies slit, some ginger garlic paste, chopped tomatoes, and give them all a good mix. To this we will add a little bit of salt and turmeric powder. Give it a good mix and let it sit and cook for a bit. To this we are going to add the cleaned and deveined prawns. Mine's about 200 grams. And while this is cooking, let's prepare our coconut mixture. Fry the grated coconut along with curry leaves. You don't need any oil on this. Just fry them on the pan until they are brown. Take your time with it, be slow, don't rush it. After about 10 minutes, it should look like this. After about 15 minutes or so. To this you will add chili powder along with some coriander powder and fry them together. Remember, the heat should always be low, and then blend them to a smooth paste-like consistency in a blender. Check on your prawns. I'm sure they are cooked by now. They cook very soon. To this we will add kodampuly, or what we call Malabar tamarind, that was soaked in water. I forgot to mention this earlier, so please add this in your ingredients list. Add this into your prawns. Alternatively, you can add tamarind water as well. When this comes to a boil, add the paste we had prepared earlier. Give it a good mix. Now you can adjust the consistency of this gravy. If you want it thick, leave it as it is. If you want it a little runny, you can add more water. Don't add too much. Just about right. I usually rinse the blender and use the water in my curry, so feel free to do that or not. Bring the curry to a boil and then simmer for about 5 minutes and then let it sit. And that's it. Your delicious prawn curry is ready. Have this with some rice or dosha. It's going to be amazing. The curry is done. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.